going on, everyone? L to the W here on a very wet, gloomy, kind of nasty Tuesday, March the 6th. I don't know why I keep wanting to say it's January. But anyhow, a little light at the end of the tunnel here on my way to see my incredibly beautiful, sexy fiance. Picking her up at the airport. Nah, she didn't go nowhere. She had to rent a car, because if you follow my vlog, last one, her vehicle's in the transmission shop. It's a little delayed because I had to get the part, which is kind of one of the reasons I couldn't work on it on the weekend. There's a solenoid inside the transmission that controls the shift from first to second, and it's acting up and going out, causing some kind of problems with it. So she had to rent a car to get to and from work today. Her daughter will cover her tomorrow, and hopefully tomorrow afternoon we'll get the old Buick back, so that'll be solved. But anyhow, she needs a ride, so being a man, I am going to do what I need to for my woman, and I am on my way over to pick her up, so she doesn't have to sit there and wait on her daughter. So let's get driving. Sure how well you can see that, but that's like a trailer full of greyhounds. It's like 45 friggin' degrees out. It doesn't seem right to me, man. Anyways, here getting my thermos of coffee for the morning. Get me through the day. At least McDonald's open today. I wish this weather would make up its friggin' mind what it wants to do. Shit, it's like 81 days and freaking 40 the next. Anyway, got my thermos for the day. My McDonald's for the little thermos. Those people up north, they probably say I got nothing to complain about, but damn, man. It's just a humid wet, or humid, yeah, cold. Ugh. I gotta get on the road, gotta get to work. When I got out of the car, I was gonna talk about the airplane footage, and I got sidetracked with the dogs. But anyways, hopefully the footage of the planes comes out. It's why, oh my god, I really want to get like a SLR camera or something with a lens so I can get good shots far away, because the GoPros, they're great. It's definitely small. I could do great vlogging with this, because a lot of people don't notice this little tiny camera that's like that big. But I mean, how many times I'm sitting there, I hear this noise, and bam, friggin' F-22 Raptor. I'm just looking at the belly of this thing friggin' turning. So hopefully you catch it. I know when I was recording, I could see the little white spirals coming off the wings. That guy banked so hard. Oh, I hope when I put this together, which you've already known because you've already seen it, because it'll come ahead of this footage, you'll be able to see. I just hope it comes out. But man, how cool. Anyway, man, I'm at work and I gotta go earn that money. think I've driven this car in any vlogs whatsoever. I did a video using the G-Tech down in Mexico. See how fast it was, but other than that, it's been kind of down. I noticed a little bit of rust. To make a long story short, underneath where the weather stripping touches the body, up in the T-top area, so I took the stripping off the windshield and I sanded it. Used that POR 15, treated it, used that epoxy paint, and then I had a painter come and paint it to match the car again, and then I had a new windshield put in. So anyways, I'm heading over to the fiance's work, pick her up. The Buick is done. The transmission should be good to go again, and we will go from there. So let me enjoy this drive and go pick my baby up. Look at that beauty. Damn, it's freaking cold out. Shit. Something to be said about the newer cars that have the heated seats and the heated steering wheel in the Camaro. Oh my god, that's so nice. But I probably spent 10 minutes driving this car with my sweater over my hands. Coffee for the day, coffee for the drive, and some breakfast. Let's hit the road. Peter Mckinnon, why are you hacked into my car? What is this split-second disaster? That's not something I want to see on my car. And no, that's not what's playing. So, man, guys, this damn Buick won't end. The transmission shop still can't get the thing to go. Alright, they think it's a computer. I don't know. To me, I think a computer works or doesn't. I don't see how the computer in the car could only affect one aspect of everything, and that being the transmission. But anyhow, damn it. So, I was supposed to go to work, get some overtime tomorrow. They need me to come in, and which really sucked because I have to pack. I'm like coming on the date to close, and I have to go pick her up. Or I gotta go over and just meet her and drive her to work tomorrow. She took another part-time job, hoping to go full-time there so she could leave the place she's at now. So for the time being, she's at 7 days a week, which really sucks, but you know, at least we'll be living together soon. I'll see her. But anyway, I'm on my way out. I got this, I don't know if it's like, I think about a 3-gallon water jug for the animals that stays inside the house. And I went to fill it up, and damn, top busted out of it. Water went friggin' everywhere. So I gotta run to Walmart and get another water feeder so I can go hit the road and see my lovely woman. Alright, new water feeder. Not quite as big as I think it's my old one, but man, I needed cat litter anyhow, so that'll give me some traction, right? And I get me a little food. Okay, protein bars. Alright everyone, I think we're going to have a happy ending for the lost puppy. I got contacted by a lady that strongly believes this is her dog. She identified the collar to the T. So I think this is her dog. She should be on her way, and we should have like a happy reunion. Hopefully. I know you're a sweet dog, but I don't need another one. Alright, success, man. We got the dog back to her rightful owner. She was extremely happy and grateful. And with that, we're going to go ahead and end the vlog. It is Monday, which means time to get on the computer, piece this thing together so I can get it posted tonight. Like I said, I'm not sure if I said it earlier or not, but if you're just joining in for the first time, please consider subscribing to the channel. Smash that like button for me so we can grow this channel and put together a lot better content. And we'll grow this thing together. So, again, thank you everybody for your support this past year. It's been great, and look forward to doing some better videos for you. So, stay tuned. We'll see you in the next video.